close to the Kuta action but far enough for some downtime. Legian is less hectic than downtown Kuta but still has a funky nightlife zone. Legian is a no-holds-barred beach where locals, expatriates and tourists mingle, bargain with the best, play paddle-ball and football, indulge in a massage and manicure, catch up on reading, meditate, exercise. Legian and Seminyak were small villages a few years ago, a short distance from Kuta. Over the last few years, accommodation has expanded around Legian with many simple family-owned guest houses upgraded, complemented by boutique-style hotels and first-class hotels. Kuta is literally 5-minute taxi ride away. Sunset is peak time at Legian Beach. When the beach bars fill up, the football field is at its busiest and the locals knock off work and wade fully clothed, skirts swirling, into the waves. Now part of the greater Kuta area, both offer quieter alternatives and a more sophisticated nightlife scene focusing on dining out and socializing rather than full-on partying.